Hello everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Guide. Today's topic is why you understand English but can't speak. You know, so many learners say this. I can understand movies and podcasts, but when someone talks to me, I just freeze. Does that sound like you? Don't worry, you're not alone. Let's talk about why this happens and how to fix it. There are a few main reasons. First, you're afraid of making mistakes. Second, you don't actually speak enough. You listen, but you don't talk. Third, you think in your native language and then translate, and that makes your brain slow down. And finally, you never hear your own voice, so you don't notice what needs to improve. Let me give you a quick example. John hears someone ask, "How was your day?" He understands it perfectly, but he says nothing because his mind is busy translating his answer from his native language to English. That's the real problem. So, how do we fix it? Let's keep it simple. Number 1, shadowing. Listen to a sentence, pause, and repeat immediately. Do it slowly first, then match the native speed. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. Number 2, talk to yourself. Seriously. While walking, cooking, or getting ready, say what you're doing in English. I'm going to the market. I want to buy apples. Train your brain to think in English. Number 3, try the 3-2-1 method. Think of 3 sentences, say 2 of them out loud, and record one clearly. Simple and powerful. Number 4, record and listen. Use your phone, record your own speech, then listen later. You'll hear small mistakes in pronunciation, rhythm, or tone, and that's how you improve. And number 5, shadow podcasts or videos. For example, you can use videos from English Podcast Unleashed. Pause after each line. Repeat what they say, and try to sound natural. Another one. My English is improving day by day. Say it slowly first, then naturally. Keep doing this daily. It really works. All right, let's quickly review. Today, you learned why you understand English but can't speak easily, and what you can do to change that. Shadowing, self-talk, recording. These small habits help you build real fluency. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Mr. English Guide. And tell me in the comments, which method will you try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode, How to Think in English Without Translating.